In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Drive folders. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video so others can find it. So if your Google Drive currently looks like this, but you want to make it a little bit more organized and you want to keep your files all in one folder, I'm going to teach you how you can do that. So first off, of course, we're going to go ahead and open Drive. You're going to click on New right here, and then you're going to select New Folder. Right here, you're going to name your folder, and then you're going to click on Create. So if you click on Drive, here you're going to see all the folders that you have in Google Drive. And if you click on the three dots right next to your folder, you can organize them by giving them different colors so you can keep everything neat and organized. Now, if you want to add a document into your folder, you simply have to select that document and you're going to drag it into your folder. Now, if you click back on your folder, you're going to see all your new documents. You can just repeat this process with every single document that you have, and you can create different folders so you keep all your information secure and organized. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.